Hello, everyone. Jared Havens here, financial freedom strategist, CEO and co-founder of Credit Life, a financial wellness company. And really, I just wanted to do a video today, really just to email out and just share my story with as many people as possible. I just feel like it's important because what I recently have gone through, I feel like could easily be a benefit to many people and just understanding the impact that this has and had on me. So a lot of my clients are aware in the past few months here, I've had a lot of issues surrounding my kidneys, kidney stones. I've had to go into the emergency room multiple times, ended up having to have surgery. And it was just an ordeal. And it was really a lot to handle because me as a business owner, and when it comes to CEO of Credit Life, we have a full team of many employees, a full team, a lot of clients. And so making sure that that's being handled while going through personal issues and that stress and being overwhelmed really caused a negative impact on my body and everything. And so last week, I attended what's called a life mastery retreat in Miami. And I am so thankful I did this. In fact, I wasn't going to attend. I was feeling so overwhelmed from being out with my recent surgery that I felt like I couldn't afford to go. I couldn't afford to lose more time. And the reality is, it is the perfect thing that I went. And the reason being is that I found there while working through and working with coaches that I was completely out of balance. And I realized that when it comes to running a business, having financial goals, constantly figuring out how can we do better for our clients to help empower them. Obviously I have a family, I have 3 daughters, a lot to manage there. And I was just completely out of balance. And that can cause some serious trauma inside of your body and really threw me out of whack. And it reminded me that a lot of our clients go through very similar situations. I'm sure you've gone through situations where, whether you've had some history with bad credit, you've had an issue with money management, you're stressed out financially trying to figure out how to make ends meet. You're living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where your money's going. You want to buy a house, but you don't know how you're going to get there. Or maybe you currently own a home, but you feel strapped and you don't know what to do. I mean, there's so many different variables that are involved surrounding credit, money, and financial wellness. And when any one of those are out of whack, it can literally cause a lot of stress in your life, which could cause a severe negative impact to your body and your mind and your spirit. You know? And so I wanted to create this video to share my story because I have realized that I'm going to be very intentional when it comes to my health. I am going to make time for my health because I've realized that that is an extremely important asset that I need to have. I mean, I can do everything in the world and it won't matter if I don't have my health. I won't be there for my daughters, my beautiful daughters. And so I wanted to do this video just as just something to give back. It's nothing specific to credit. It's not credit education. It's really about our lives. And I want everyone to understand that it's very important that if you are or have gone through any sort of issues that are causing you stress and causing you anxiety or being overwhelmed, it means that, one, that's a negative impact to your body, but it means you need to take action, right? The only way that we can improve is by taking action. That's so important to understand. You have to take action. You have to be willing to do something different to get a different result that's going to be better for you and maybe your family. Okay, so I just wanted to share this story. It just really impacted me greatly. And I wanted to share this with everyone because I really want to bestow, the way that I'm feeling to everyone that I know, because I really hope it helps motivate someone to understand that if you are going through some things, take action to better yourself, whether that means bettering your credit, whether that means, bettering your knowledge and your tools and your disciplines around money management, budgeting, debt reduction, um, gaining more knowledge and understanding how all that credit and financial wellness plays a role in your life and allowing opportunity or not. How to position for lending to get what you want. Maybe it's a home for you or you and your family, right? How to do this in a way that isn't overly stressful on you. You don't know what you don't know. And if you continue to allow, these situations control you, it can really cause a negative impact on your life. And I just don't want to see that for anyone. We've helped and are helping thousands of people. And this really has motivated me to do even more for our clients and even more for our Facebook group, Free Credit Repair Advice, and really even more to really anyone that we have access to, because I want to bring you the opportunity that's available to allow you to move forward with your life and experience that positive impact, to bring that clarity, to bring that peace, to bring that love and that intention, so that way you just have a better life in general. That's what it's all about. It's hitting your specific goals, but it's really just allowing you to live a better life in general, a healthier life, a happier life, and with intention once again. So I just wanted to share this. I felt like I had to because I've gone through a lot personally, and I am very motivated to changing that. I want to be here for my clients. I definitely want to be here for my family, and I want to be here for myself. And so I feel like what I've gone through is very similar to what I'm sure a lot of people have as well, and maybe even right now. And so I wanted to share my story, and I hope this motivates you to action. That's what it's all about, is take action. Of course, if you have questions, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to our company surrounding credit repair, credit building, debt management, budgeting, debt reduction, how to position for lending, how to compete in this market when it comes to mortgage and buying a home. I mean, we provide all these different services, and it just starts with an initial phone call. It starts with attending one of our workshops, our virtual events. In fact, this Thursday at 7 p.m. Central, I'm hosting an event called Credit Hacks and Strategies that create real opportunity. And so I'll include that information below on this if that's something that you want to attend. All you have to do is click on it to RSVP. Seating is limited. It's a virtual event, but I can only host so many people within the Zoom. And would love to see you there. But once again, that wasn't the intention of this video. I really just wanted to share this message out to everyone to have a positive impact on your life here today and moving forward. And I hope that it kind of just moves you to really analyze where you're at, to be able to take action that's going to have a positive impact on your life. Thank you so much.